We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. doing a full transition so far from bright green bars to red bars after doing a full transition from the dip area of white with red borders back here on January 19th to the rip area of bright green bars. Now, it wasn't the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market did as well. And our SPY at 10:55 a.m. sent out a bull indicator. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 80% plus within minutes to an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. continuing to fight to stay above 30 cents. And we need to talk about what's going on within the charts and our inflow versus outflow. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge over the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to our 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our Discord, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot sent out a bull indicator at 9:30 a.m. and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 50% plus within minutes. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. As I stated earlier, doing that full transition from bright green bars up here to red bars after following that transition from the dip area of white with red borders on January 19th to hitting the bright green bars, as I like to call it, the rip area on 42 vision. If it's your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips and the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with MULLEN stock under a bear indicator, but these outflows have not crossed, but they are red, guys. We are above the midpoint, and this is crucial. Will this just be volatility or be the beginning of a bigger rejection once these outflows cross over? This is critical and very important because for the first time since way back here on January 12th with that bear indicator at around 39 cents, we have seen the inflows cross over back here on January 20th, followed by that bull indicator at around 26 cents. Things took off to around 32, and it's been fighting here to stay above 30 cents. It got a little bit below it today, and it's bounced back up towards it under this bear indicator. But multiple rejections here at around 30 to 31 cents, and this is crucial and critical, especially with these inflows being red, dominated by outflows. It just hasn't dominated over the charts just yet because it hasn't crossed the midpoint, and outflows are fighting to take over. Yet we are above the midpoint, and the inflows do have a chance to go ahead and bring this back up and switch from red to green but it just hasn't happened yet. And now we have a bear indicator here on the 30-minute chart. This is crucial and this is critical, and I'm going to share with you guys what it is I would watch going into tomorrow. So the first thing is, when we come over here to the 15-minute, we could see within the volatility that the outflows crossed over today in the first half of the day, followed by that bear indicator falling from 30 cents to the lows of 28 cents. Now, it hit a dip area multiple times around those lows, and it found support both times, bouncing back up, but so far doing a full transition within the volatility. On 42 vision within the 15-minute chart frame, got a bull indicator here at around 29 cents, bounce up to almost 31 cents, rejected, and here it is fighting to stay above the 30-cent area with inflows back above, guys. I would watch if these inflows could pick back up, because based off the history of the chart, it's hit highs here of 0.13 and even highs here of 0.51 based off the inflow versus outflow. And it's currently at 0.0063 and green and above the midpoint. Now, if this bull indicator gets canceled and we get a bear indicator, I'm going to be watching if these outflows cross to the downside, if they switch from green to red, and if that happens, this could eventually start to reflect into the 30-minute and have an impact on the overall chart, and followed by multiple rejections and this bear indicator actually having the strength over the chart and creating the possibility of these inflows losing traction and crossing to the downside. And if they do, this could quickly start to reflect into the chart and quickly breaking through key support levels. Now, this is our first bear indicator since the bull indicator back here on January 19th, and now it's fighting here to stay above 30 cents, which is crucial in the overall chart between the bulls and bears, putting up a fight and also continuing this staircase effect if there's any strength left for the bulls, right? That's going to be crucial and critical here. And then on the 1 hour, when we zoom out, we could see here that the outflows have been dominating. We did a full transition from the dip area of white with red borders to bright green bars, followed by that bull indicator, but inflows have not crossed upwards, and we haven't even seen it try to go from red to green towards the midpoint, guys. It's continued to be weak. It's continued to be red. And as I stated, I would watch if these inflows, even if they don't cross the midpoint, they could start coming closer to it, switching from red to green, and actually continuing the strength here to reflect into the chart of this staircase effect, continue the transitions into strength of bright green bars, and hold that bull indicator true, followed by some inflows picking up here, even if they don't cross the midpoint, right? We want that continuation of multiple confirmations on multiple time frames, and that's what I would watch for the 1 hour. Now, key levels I would watch here. Well, first for support, I would watch 28 cents. If that gets broken through, the next support level is down towards 26 to 25 cent area, where that last bull indicator popped up, and you could see that support there in the history of the chart where it tried to bounce off of on Friday the 20th, 28 cent area, went up back higher. Same thing here 2 times, right? Went up, came down, and it's popping back up. It's going to be crucial for these inflows to pick up with it. If not, if it crosses to the downside, it could start showing weakness within the chart. That is critical. I would not ignore that, and we want to see that on the 15-minute as well. That strength to the upside. And now to the upside, the first resistance I would watch is 32 cents. Then above that comes 35 cents. And then I would watch the 38 cent to 40 cent area. Back up here near that bear indicator from way back here on January 13th when outflows started to dominate. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.